With the Q8 we did something completely new for Audi, something really outstanding. My name is Sascha Heide and I'm working as an exterior designer for Audi Design. This is the first time I did an all-new model. It was a big challenge to recreate the really new, iconic look of the car. It perfectly combines the attitude or the aesthetics of an four-door coupe with the fully functions of a sporty SUV. I think the first eye-catching element is the new grille architecture. If you look at the front of the car, it's the single frame, the new architecture, which is coming up in an octagon shape. This octagon shape will be the next grille silhouette for the whole range of upcoming Audi Q models. There's another nice feature which is placed next to the single frame, which is called the mask. With this one, we wanted to express also the Quattro attitude, the techniques below the skin, because we want to make the Quattro attitude, the Quattro technology visible in the design of the car. It's a couple of technical revolutions behind the car. For instance, we have very big wheels. We have the biggest wheels so far we ever had in Audi. We have very big wheel arches. Also in the bottom we have big air intakes, very sporty ones. Seeing the car from its rear, there's one stunning element which I really love. It's our black panel beam. Underlining the maximum width of the car, it gives it a really nice, powerful standing. The roofline is supposed to be a coupe, but it's different to the shape of a normal expected coupe roofline. So the outline is totally different and we still keep the appropriate headroom inside.